Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com and it's time for another product quick view. Let's get to it.
Today we are looking at the ICC 12-port high-density blank patch panel, part number IC107BP12V. This patch panel is designed to be used with high-density Keystone jacks and can support the distribution of voice, data, audio, video, and fiber optic. It comes mounted on an 89U wall mount bracket, offering deeper depth for better cable routing. To find out more information or to place an order online, visit us on our website at discount-low-voltage.com.